Whole life insurance quotes are senseless. Hi, I'm Barry Page, and I teach my clients how to use their life insurance while they're alive to create generational wealth and minimize their wealth transfers. People often want to compare whole life to term life when there really is no comparison. In fact, whole life insurance quotes are senseless. I say that because I believe there's a vast difference between what people need and what they want. People typically buy term life insurance because they need it, and they buy whole life insurance because they want it. With term life, you're protecting your family, and that's a great thing. Term life is great for young families who want to protect their lives on a budget. So obviously, costs are a valid concern. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, is great for anyone who not only wants to protect themselves, but they want to save money for the future. And typically, wealth transfers and lost opportunity costs are a part of this concern. With whole life insurance, you probably want it because you realize how it can help you accomplish your financial goals, and protecting your family or business is a necessary part of that overall financial plan. Once people really understand how it works, they usually want as much of it as they can get. And you have to qualify for it. So a quote is really useless until an offer is made because it will be based on assumptions. There are many types of life insurance, but for this example, we're simply talking about term and whole life. And while there are many hybrids that disguise themselves as whole life, I'm referring to the good old-fashioned dividend-paying whole life insurance from a mutual life insurance company. Let me explain it another way. When banks loan you money to purchase things like a car, a boat, or a house, they force you to buy insurance on that asset. Why do you think that is? It's because they want the loan to be covered if something happens, and you pay for it. Now contrast that with life insurance. No one forces you to get it, so it doesn't make sense to approach it with that mindset. In other words, you're protecting something of value, and in this case, it's your life. If I ask you, is it better to own or rent your home? Most people would say owning because you're not just spending money on something you'll never take ownership of, like renting. Insurance works the same way. You can rent it or you can own it. The benefits of owning participating whole life insurance are many, but that's not the point here. The point is you don't need a quote for something that you want. You want value and you want ownership. Once you determine you want something, the decision is really yours as to how much you want and who you're going to buy it from. Think about it this way. Cheap life insurance is an oxymoron. Do you really want something that's not going to get the job done? The important thing is to get enough while you're healthy to support your future. So that might be term insurance. The important thing is to make sure if you do get term that is a convertible to whole life in the future if your health changes. And once you own life insurance, you understand how much it can help you. So I hope that helps you with your decision, and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. I hope you'll please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well so you can stay up to date on financial matters. If you'd like to learn how you can use life insurance while you're alive to accomplish financial goals, let me know. Schedule a time for us to talk. Until next time, I'm Barry Page, and I'm your life advocate.